Welcome to the captivating world of amazing creatures. Meet the rock hyrax, a peculiar yet fascinating creature. Despite its rodent-like appearance, it's actually related to elephants and manatees. This small mammal has unique foot pads, which are moist and rubbery, ideal for rock climbing. Interestingly, they communicate through songs. Yes, you heard it right. They sing to express emotions and mark territories. Rock hyraxes are sun worshippers. They love sunbathing, but can also regulate their body temperature to adapt to their surroundings. Lastly, they have a very long gestation period, almost like an elephant's. Surprising, isn't it? That's the rock hyrax for you.